So let's start with the next type of conjunction, that is correlative conjunctions. Let's see what are correlative conjunctions. The correlative conjunctions are simply pairs of conjunctions which are used to join equal sentence elements together. So here first of all we need to know that correlative conjunctions come in pair. जो correlative conjunctions हैं उनके जो words हैं वो pair में आते हैं, like both और and का जो है एक pair है. They always come in pair and they join equal sentence elements together. अब ये पेयर में आती हैं इसलिए ये दोनों सेंटेंस में इकट्ठी यूज होती हैं. दे बोथ आर यूज्ड इन द सेम सेंटेंस बट दे डोंट कम टुगेदर. वो दोनों एक ही सेंटेंस में आती हैं बट एक साथ नहीं आती हैं. दे आर इन अ पेयर, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर यूज्ड टुगेदर इन अ सेंटेंस, बट इन बिटवीन देयर आर फ्यू मोर वर्ड्स लाइक both my brother and father are doctors. It's not only my brother but my father as well are doctors. बोथ और एंड का एक पेयर है. दे आर यूज्ड इन द सेम सेंटेंस. उनको एक ही सेंटेंस में यूज किया गया है बट दे हैव नॉट बीन यूज्ड टुगेदर. देयर आर फ्यू वर्ड्स बिटवीन देम, लाइक बोथ और एंड के बीच में आ रहे हैं टू वर्ड्स माई ब्रदर. बोथ माई ब्रदर एंड फादर आर doctors. So they are joining equal sentence elements together. That's why they are called correlative conjunctions. This is the list of correlative conjunction. This is the basic list of correlative conjunctions. Here we can say either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or, so as. These are the pairs of conjunctions and if you can see I have put some dashes between them. इनके बीच में dashes हैं. It means they don't come together. ये dash का मतलब ये है कि इनके बीच में there are few more words to which they are joining. So let's see how do they join the words. For example, these are the examples of correlative conjunctions. I want either tea or coffee. या तो मुझे चाय चाहिए या कॉफ़ी चाहिए. Either or shows the choice, alternative. He neither likes singing nor dancing. Again choice but in negative. He does not like singing, he does not like dancing. So we can say he neither likes singing nor dancing. So in these sentences you can see either or का pair है but इसमें word आ रहा है tea. Neither nor का pair है but there are words like likes and singing. I will not only eat the cheesecake but also the chocolate cake. Not only but also. This is the pair. Here there are the words eat the cheesecake. I saw he was in the mood not for desserts but appetizers. Not but. I didn't know whether you wanted tea or coffee. So this is how these conjunctions come in pair. They are always used in the same sentence but they are not written or spoken together. In between there is a word or group of words and they join the equal sentence elements together. I hope you are clear with correlative conjunctions. Bye bye.